How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in today. And for today I am doing the engine bay detail on this 2006 Honda Odyssey. This is the first detail this car is ever getting, and I start with the engine bay detail. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the show. So first thing first, I disconnect the battery in all my engine details. This way all the electronics are shut off and everything is safe for me to deep clean this engine. After disconnecting the battery, I take a leaf blower and blow away all the loose leaf or any dirt that is on the engine, and then I start detailing the underhood. That is, I start from top to the bottom. This way I start cleaning from the top parts of the engine. The underhood is part of the engine bay detail, and the foam padding that is there, I'm very careful with it. As you can see in this video, I check it is loose, so I will just take a pressure washer and just lightly wash it away. I won't agitate it or anything, because if it gets too wet it will fall off and it will be not safe anymore to drive with this. So this way I always keep everything safe, and I will use degreaser and different brushes to clean the underhood. This way I make sure that I get in all the crevices, nooks and crannies. I remove all the dirt as much as possible. And guys, if you enjoy detailing content and you like detailing videos, you are a detailer, you want to know some more tricks and tips, or if you like to give me your tricks and tips, guys, please subscribe to the channel, comment down below on these videos, let me know what you think and help me out so I can do better and I can bring more content to you guys this way. So guys, make sure to subscribe and like, share the video as well. After washing all the trims, I make sure that I lay down a thick layer of foam on top of the engine. This way I cover the whole engine bay with foam, and then I spray some degreaser. This way the foam and the degreaser are breaking down all these grease and grime that is sticking to the engine. And guys, always remember, whenever using degreaser, always use in a safe way. What I mean by that is, if you have an overspray, you will see me in the video washing the fender or the windshield, the bumper, anything that I have an overspray, because if the degreaser dries it can leave some spotting, and on the paint you have to buff it all out. It takes a longer process. This way, always practice safe methods when doing an engine bay detail. So after cleaning all the top parts of the engine, I will take my Speedmaster brush, and this way I can reach into the little bit of nooks and crannies in the engine where my regular brushes cannot reach. This way I can clean as much as possible and make the engine as presentable as possible. Guys, always make sure that you use this brush very safely. You don't want to poke any of those cables there or anything like that. I make sure that I'm watching where it's going. I am very careful with it. So always, if you're doing detail on your own, you can always get these brushes. They always help out when doing engine bay detail. After cleaning the engine, I take my pressure washer and wash off all the degreaser and the soap. This way I remove anything that is standing on there, and make sure that I take off all the degreaser because I don't want degreaser to dry on the engine. And the last steps are to blow dry the engine completely, and then take a few microfiber towels and make sure I wipe off all the electricals, and make sure I dry all the plastic pieces. And then I apply Aerospace 303, that is a UV protection, to all the plastics. This way the engine looks clean and it gives a very finished look. And guys, a few tips for doing engine bay detail. Always do engine bay detail on a cold engine, never on a hot engine. And make sure disconnect the batteries, and this way, after you're done with the engine bay detail, connect the battery back again and run the engine for a few minutes. At least I do it for 15 minutes. This way I make sure no codes pop up, and this is the safest way to do engine bay detail that I've experienced so far. None of my engines have ever caught up on any code, or nothing has popped up. So make sure to do this, and it is the safest way to do engine bay detail. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Please make sure to watch my other videos. If you are new, subscribe to the channel, and just like always, guys, I will definitely see you on the next one.